Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to delete Monopoly Go account. To delete your account in Monopoly Go, first of all, launch open the Monopoly Go application and make sure that you are in the home screen. From the home page of Monopoly Go, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Manage Account. Now, click on the account deletion button and then from the Delete My Account article, you can go ahead and look for this Delete My Account button and tap on it. Remember that the process is not reversible and once you confirm, you will not receive a confirmation message once the account is deleted. Simply click on the Delete My Account button and follow the prompts and you will be able to delete your Monopoly Go account. Deleting your Monopoly Go account will result in the loss of all game data including your progress, purchases, and other personal information tied to the account. The deletion process may take some time depending on the game's support workload, so if you no longer wish to use the app, then you can get it deleted like how I showed on the tutorial. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.